Welcome back. Thought I'd do a quick little video on fitting exhaust gaskets, because I had heard putting them in the freezer is a really good hack, but is it? I'm sure everybody that's tried to install these exhaust gaskets in a Sportster know how difficult they can be. And try as you might, they do not want to go in easily, and they are so easy to crush. I had heard the trick was to pop them in the freezer for a few hours, so I thought I'd give that a go and share it with you. Pop them in with the chips, and then after a few hours take them out nice and cold. So these have been in the freezer for about 4 hours now. Still a bit tight, so that's not an awful lot different. No, I wouldn't have thought that shrunk that much actually. They're a bugger, these things. No, okay, I'm going to try it overnight, see how that works. Now this has been in the freezer overnight. And I can honestly say that doesn't really feel any different. I'll try that with a penny washer over it. I'm going to try this. So I've got some washers. This one just fits in there, and this one just fits on the outside. So I'm going to put those together and see if that works. There we go. I think that was more successful than sticking it in the freezer. So maybe if I had another washer on there to make this a bit fatter, this bit here, try that for the next one. Right, what I've got now is I've got this washer that just fits in there, but there's a bit of a lip. If I put these two in there and then I put that on there, that should get this bit further down into here. And then I found a sleeve that allows that to float a bit. So that's what I've got now, and then that goes over that like that, fits in like that. See what that's like. There we go. I think that's all right. A little bit crushed there. I don't know whether that's because when I tried it out of the freezer, it might not have been pristine to start with. I think that's going to be alright. It gets pretty crushed up anyway. Yeah, I'll call that a day. So, there you go. Fairly simple little tool, but it seems to work. And it works a lot better, I think, than putting it in the freezer, which I think was bullshit. Hope it helps. Catch you next time. Cheerio.